Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can fix microphone not working in Google Chrome. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just simply be in Google Chrome, and when you're here, you just want to simply go to right top corner on the three dots and click settings. When you're here, you want to scroll down below and click on site settings, right? And when you got it, now you want to do scroll down and microphone, and then you're gonna see the microphone here, and you just want to like change it to whatever you want. So you just change it to, I don't know, Yeti, right? And you got it, and it should probably work. So test it out, and then you like click on apps. You can like reset the permission or allow the microphone. I recommend like having it allowed. And this is pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.